So we got this quick tutorial on how to care for your curly hair. It's really a high maintenance type of thing. So we just gonna get started. I am securing my lace band around because I don't want to add any more adhesive to this. I separated the hair into twists. It's about 6 of them. And so it's been plaited like this for a couple days now. I would rather leave them in twists versus just leaving the curly hair out because it can get a little tangled. So you see me spraying each twist with the mist bottle, and I'll use my detangling brush if I get any kinks or naps. I sped this up till about 5 or 4. And so basically you just detangle, separate the hair, and add water to comb it out, make it a little bit easier. So I'm gonna speed up through all of this. I repeated this process. I think I skipped a part, but you'll see me add my silk serum to this as well to give it some shine after I detangle and add water. So yeah, I just squirted my hand there. It's not on camera. And just one pump is fine because these sections are small. And you can see the shine coming back as well as the curls looking a little juicy. Make sure you moisten this hair because it is super dry. You can tell it's dry. And the water will just help bring out the curls. And the silk serum will help give it some shine as well. I won't talk too much because it's basically repetitive. And it does look like I'm going fast, but just take your time. You'll see me slow the video down, but take your time. You don't want to tangle the hair. You want to detangle the hair. And if you move too fast, sometimes you will get excessive knotting. So be careful and take your time. But I know y'all see them juicy curls. One squirt. And so I slowed it down. So this is probably about a 2. So I'm still speeding up just a little bit, just so I can give y'all the video in a short amount of time. But just run your fingers through with the rest of that silk serum on your hands and make sure it's shining, bouncy, juicy. Yep. So I like the way it's looking right now. On ahead, spin around so you can see it from the back. And it's very simple. So this took about probably 10 minutes or less. It don't take a lot of time. So I'm going to take off my melt band. My lace had a little bit of adhesive on it because I didn't wash it off. Don't judge me, judge your mama. And putting that lace band on there, it kind of helped re-secure it to my head. See it? Yep.